Hello everyone, this is Deep Goswami and welcome to my channel. So the trailer was interesting to me. Even though it's based on a true story, I don't really know about that story. But after looking at the trailer, what I understand is that the main character Kishan, played by Farhan Akhtar, seems to be like, he like music and he wants to have his own band. And then I think he recorded some kind of music, and then he went to sell those CDs, and then that incident happened that he is accused for murder. So that's kind of really moving in the trailer. I was not really expecting about that. It's the first part of the trailer is like full of music, and then full of liveness. And then suddenly that incident happened and police took him into custody and they sent him to the central jail in Lucknow. So that is I think the point where the movie will show how Farhan Akhtar, the role Kishan, how he is getting revitalized or getting progress in his life, how he is developing his skill inside the jail. Because it looks like that the other people in the jail were rude to him or something like that. They tortured him, even the police also. There are some scenes about that. So, and in that kind of like situation, how he is surviving. Of course, he met Deepak, the guy from famous Tanu Age Manu series. So, anyways, they I think try to make an escaping plan, but in the meantime, the girl Gayatri, who wants to make a band inside the jail, so that role is played by Daina Banti. So I think the chemistry that these two main characters are going to play, it will be interesting. That's I'm hoping for, and how they make up a plan to escape from the jail through the band. And it's interesting to me. I really would like to see how a guy like Kishan, who really loves music and who really wants to have his own band, and then he is using that his love for music to escape the jail. So it's, I think, like symbolically, if I'm thinking that it's also escaping from the barriers, from the weaknesses, from your misery or whatever, your struggle from your life. So that's also, I think, symbolizes. Since the director Ranjit Tiwari, he already directed Bhag Milkha Bhag and something like that. So those are very serious movies. So I think he is going to show that kind of symbolism, like how the main character, especially Kishan, how he evolved, during these staying in the jail. So that's really interesting to see me. So looking forward to see the movie. Really excited to watch the movie, and I really love Farhan Akhtar's movies, and yeah, because he always have some kind of creative ideas, and he is a multi-talented guy. So I really like to see how he done this character. This is looks very challenging though. I mean the character, but in a way, in my mind, that the character, I mean not the character, but the looks of the movie, like the posters on things, look very similar to the movie Daddy that recently released. So anyway, guys, I really like the trailer, and I'm really looking forward to watch the movie. So that's it, guys. I hope you like my reaction videos, and thank you so much to those who spend their time to give comments, and those are really useful for me. I'm trying to do in a better way, So thank you so much for that, and please do subscribe my channel, and please like my videos and share my videos. And if you want to watch my previous videos, then please go to this link. Thank you so much, guys. This is really a good experience to make YouTube videos. So have fun. Bye bye.